Good morning and welcome to another day of science. It is Tuesday, April 20th. This is your Tuesday walkthrough video. Here we are in week 12. Yesterday we talked about and looked at the connection between human activity and climate change. And we saw that for the past 800,000 years, carbon dioxide levels, which is a greenhouse gas, have been rising and falling in the Earth's atmosphere at a pretty consistent rate. Since about 1900, 1950, humans, through our burning of fossil fuels, have greatly increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is bad because we're strengthening and increasing the greenhouse effect. And then during that same time as well, the average yearly temperature is increasing. So there's a very clear connection between human activity to increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and the rising temperature. I mean, there's really no dispute that humans are causing climate change and global warming through our activities, through our actions. Today we're going to look at what sort of impact does the planet warming have on people. All right. So watch the Tuesday walkthrough video. That's what you're doing. Read the page titled Rising Sea Levels and then complete the Rising Sea Levels quick check. Learning target, I can describe the effects of climate change. Performance task, students will watch short videos titled Vanishing Island. There's one other short one in there as well. And then success criteria, I will be successful when I've scored at least 3 out of 4 on the quick check. Let's jump into Tuesday. So here's the Rising Sea Levels page. Let's take a look. So a review paragraph, which is basically what I just talked about here at the beginning of the video. The effects on global warming. Read this little introduction paragraph. This short video shows we have in the world and in the United States, a large portion of the population lives in coastal areas. You think of all the major cities that are right on the ocean. You've got Louisiana, Miami, Tampa, New York, Baltimore, Boston. Out west, you've got like Seattle, Los Angeles, San Francisco. All these huge population centers are right on the ocean. And they could be very affected, very susceptible as the Earth gets warmer. The polar ice caps begin to melt. We're adding all that frozen water to the ocean. It's going to cause the ocean levels to rise. So watch this video to see how these coastal areas will be affected by higher ocean levels. All right, just a couple minutes. And then this video here is about one particular island down in Louisiana, kind of down in the bayou of Louisiana, kind of near New Orleans, and how it talks to a couple of residents that have lived on the island for decades and the changes they've noticed with the rising water levels and the increase in damage due to hurricanes and the storm surge due to hurricanes. So this one's 9 minutes long, so a little bit longer, but not too bad. But really interesting because you see the actual perspective of people that are living through it, long-time residents of that island. And then once you've watched those 2 videos, then you'll head on over and complete the old quick check right there. There's a mixture of multiple choice and like short answer questions. So you'll have to type out in some sentences your responses as well. All right. So yeah, other than that, have a wonderful day. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Bobolik out.